This is Janie. Can I help you? Hey, Sarah. Yeah, hey, listen, can I call you right back? Let me get where I can hear you a little better. Okay, thanks. Hey, Sarah, it's Janie. Yeah, sorry, we're at a ball game, so it's kind of hard to hear. Okay, so what have you got for me? Okay, your college roommate's moving to Warner Robins? Awesome, fantastic. What are they looking for? Up to $250. Okay, at least 4 bedrooms. Well, I've got a 4-bedroom, 2-bath over in Eagle Springs. You think they'd be interested in that? Okay, all right. Well, when are they going to be in town? They're in town now? Okay. Oh, hey, can you hang on just a second? I think they're getting ready to score. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, thanks. Hang on. They just scored. Woohoo! Yeah, we're ahead, 45-0. Yeah, they're doing good. Okay, so they're in town now, and they want to take a look when? 20 minutes. Okay, well, you know what? We're ahead by 45 points. I think we'll be fine. I think we'll go ahead and head on out now. Okay, so I will see you in about 20. I'll just meet you there. Okay, talk to you later. See you soon. Bye. Okay. Hey guys, this is a problem. I told my client we'd be there in 20 minutes, and this is not going to cut it. What are we going to do?
You're going to need a chopper.
Well, have you got some connections?
Yeah, let me make a call.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, this is Janie Pugh. You got a bird you could send over? Sure. Yeah, thanks.
Hey, there it is. Well, that was quick. Okay, guys. Well, I'll meet you back at the house, okay?
All right.
Can you just slow down enough for me to jump out, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks. I'll see you guys later. Be careful.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mama.
Bye.